welcome to my next little lesson video here. So, this is your new compare and contrast assignment. I know earlier we did Venn diagrams. This is a little bit of a chart, so I'm just kind of going to go through and do a little bit to show you how to do it, and then in the next slide you'll have the link so you can do it yourself. So, as you can see here, here's, all the stuff at the Jamboard. So what I would personally do is do a text box. Start with your name. That's easy. And here we have the Snow Queen. And then we have Frozen. So that's super easy. I know that you are smart enough to figure that out. So basically you're just going to add, I would say, at least 3 things for setting, 3 characters, and 3 events for each of the 2. If you want to do all 5, that's great. I would say at least do 3. But besides that, I would just do a text box. You might have some other ideas, you can go ahead and do that, but I know this looks a little bit different than the Venn diagram, but I promise it's basically the exact same thing. It's a little bit more organized, so good luck.